Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make shake effects using keyframes on CapCut. So first, just prepare your clip and add 2 keyframes at the beginning and also the end. And on the last keyframe, zoom the clip in a bit. And next, move forward a bit from the first keyframe and then add another keyframe. Okay, and on the first keyframe, drag the clip to the bottom right corner. And now on the next one, drag the clip down to the bottom left corner. Okay, and move forward. Then drag the clip to the left. Like this. And now on the next one, drag the clip to the left top corner. And now we'll move forward, then drag the clip up. On the next one, here, drag the clip down to the top right corner. Okay, then move forward and drag the clip up again. Okay, and now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.